Now, if you are somebody who is, no matter what you do, you just cannot make progress, it's like your body's stuck. It's 18 and 19 hours. You keep trying to progress, but you can't. It's like you're hitting a wall, okay? That's when you can rely on some of the same things that we would do for appetite suppression. If we are struggling with appetite and we've tried all the medications and supplements, that's when we go to fat bombs. I would recommend the same thing in this situation. Specifically, I would recommend exogenous ketones. That would be my go-to number one supplement if you are struggling with blood sugar issues, is go ahead and try to do exogenous ketones. I would do it earlier in your fast, and right when you start fasting, go ahead and take a serving of the exogenous ketones, and then I would probably do another serving maybe 4 to 6 hours later, and then another serving 4 to 6 hours later. And see if that progresses, or you will likely find that you will be able to break through that wall through the help of the exogenous ketones, okay? In this case, I would lean on the exogenous ketones because you've never been able to break the 18-hour fast, let's say in this example, and continue to progress through the fasting while on the exogenous ketones. You can also try this experiment with MCT oil. My totem pole would be exogenous ketones, MCT oil, coconut oil. Those would be your three go-tos. Once you can hit 48-hour fasting with the help of, say, exogenous ketones, then we take it back and we try to go fasting with either no exogenous ketones and work your way up again, or maybe a lower dose and play that game.